What do we consider funny? Like joke telling? Non-serious person?
I'd probably go with Ron.
Probably Ron.
Maybe, I think Diane.
Me? Because I'm always happy.
Alan's the funniest. He's got a great laugh and a great sense of humor, and he's just fun to be around.
I'd say Hannah, because she just has an awesome personality.
I'm gonna say Jordan on this one, just because of some of the stories he tells me of some of the pranks that he's pulled, and I wouldn't want to be on the other end of them.
Probably Tech Matt. I think he's a pretty funny fellow. Me and him work next to each other too, so we're usually laughing all day at stupid stuff, memes and videos we show each other. So we get a good laugh on our side of the shop.
I would say Alan, because me and him share a lot of similar humor.
Funniest is probably Titus.
I think everybody has a great sense of humor, but funniest, I don't know, Jake's always picking on me, but I can take it, it's fine.
Funniest, like, looking, because that's funniest. Honestly, it's Sam. He's like real subtly funny, and he always comes around. He just like pops in, has no idea what's going on, but here's 3 words, inputs something, it's hilarious, and then he leaves.
I would say there's some days Jordan has me cracking up, and Diane has me cracking up, and honestly, a little bit of everybody. Everybody chimes in with the humor.
Definitely Sam has a lot of experience in cooking, and if I was to say my favorite food, probably his schnitzel / sauerbraten. He makes German food every year, so.
Sam.
Sam's definitely the best cook.
Sam.
Sam, actually. Sam would be the answer for that one. Sam cooks a lot of good food for us every Friday.
Definitely Sam.
Sam, hands down. My favorite dish is his pork schnitzel, but literally anything that he cooks is gonna turn out great. He just knows what he's doing in the kitchen.
Best cook is Sam, and he makes a German, like a dough product called a Spatzel, and that is my favorite.
Hands down Sam, and everything for Oktoberfest every year.
Sam.
Sam.
Best cook on the team is Sam. He'll cook us some lunches that are pretty fire. I really like. We did his Oktoberfest not too long ago, and he did. I've never had purple sauerkraut before, and it was delicious. So thank you for cooking all this time, Sam.
Oh, that's easy, me. No, hands down. Matt can make a mean mountain pie. I will give him that, but yeah.
I made a little wooden box as a Christmas present once, and I still think about it. I make sure my cousin still has it.
A knife from bowling ball. Well, my dad cut a bowling ball in half. He would take the blades and he would make them, and then we'd have to cut it out and do a thing and make a handle on it, and he'd put the edge on it. And I still have it, but don't have an edge on it.
My car that I built is a 92 Mustang. I put a Chevy 5.3 in it.
A few months ago, we as a team went and did pottery, so I made a cute little gnome.
I've manufactured several firearms, which is kind of cool. I've 3D printed a handgun, I've built a couple of rifles, so there's a lot of satisfaction in like making a gun and then taking it to the range and it functioning and not blowing your hand off or something, so that's kind of cool.
The thing I made by hand that I'm most proud of is probably one of the features on our mountain bike trails.
Probably Thanksgiving dinner.
I've built a couple trucks and motorcycles, but I build a lot of things with my hands, so it's kind of hard to. Every day I make something with my hands, so I'm gonna go with square body Chevy trucks.
Did a lot of restorations on old cars, but I can't think of anything off the top of my head that I made by hand.
I did make a small model of a Schwinn bicycle out of metal.
I feel like a lot of people are gonna say me, and I'll be honest, I don't want anyone because that's just more mouths to feed. Like, I'm well prepared and that sucks for them. So, you're beat, kids.
Probably both Matts. Matt, the mechanic, and Matt in the office, because they watch a lot of them movies that are futuristic and that kind of thing. So they might already know what to do if zombies come, because I don't.
Definitely Sam, because he can cook a great meal, and we'll definitely need food. And I would say probably, I feel Dan. He's pretty resourceful.
Okay, on my team, I would say I'm probably gonna say Ron, because I think I could outrun him. And
probably Ron and Hannah. Okay. Because I think I have the best chance of getting away.
No, they're supposed to be on your team.
Oh. They are on my team, they're just no longer there.
Just become a solo act.
oh man, who's gonna help me survive the best?
Probably Office Matt and Sam, because Sam can cook and Matt has a lot of guns.
Probably, I don't know him so good because he's one of the newer guys, but little Matt comes off as somebody who is really smart and could get me out of a lot of situations.
I don't know, because I don't believe in it.
Dan Horn and Tech Matt. Tech Matt has some really cool melee weapons. Dan would have the firearms to get us through it. I think they'd both be a lot of fun to spend an apocalypse with. I'd probably die first out of the three of us, so I think it'd be really fun.
I'd say probably Jordan Titus. They're the guys I work with the most down the street here, and they are just fun to be around and good people. So Titus eats a lot, so it'd be a lot of stockpiling.
Matt Horn, because he's very good at weaponry. I would feel very safe. And Alan Martinko, because he is hilarious. So we'd be laughing all the time as we're trying to do away with zombies.
I would take Jordan and Sam because we'd have a lot of fun during the zombie apocalypse.
I would say Matt, Office Matt, because he has guns. And I would say Mike, Office Mike, because he is from Alaska and he knows a lot of survival stuff.
I would say Matt and Sam because they're probably the most prepared out of everybody.
I'm definitely taking Sam and my brother Matt, for sure. Sam, really good cook, and really funny, so definitely him, and Matt's got the arsenal.
Yeah, sucks to suck should have been prepared.